I'm going to check today TypeScript for JS programmers defining type section. So looks like they have given some examples. Use object and then user interface. I think there's some more information given here. When we try to I would like to try this one. Let's see what it tried to say. I see. So we got the interface defined as user ID, and here in this object I think they are trying to show us an example of enforcing the type of user, because we are using username here. Why should be ideally name? Right, so if we change this to name, that's fine. So that should fix it. Yeah, I would like to do some more changes here and see. Let's add some another property. Put it number type. Right, it's complaining here. Age is missing in type. Okay, I'm going to fix that. Let's say 50. Right, and I'm going to try with the function as well. Probably printing user. Yeah, let's take user. Yes, user interface. I'm using user interface here as the parameter. Probably just a simple console option for now. So I'm just gonna print the whole object here, user. Let's ignore the function. And let's check the JS code generated as well. Right, so definitely this interface bits are going away when it's compiling to the JS file and just plain or JavaScript. Right, so I'm just gonna try this one. Right, says undefined, of course. Right, looks like I'm not passing any object here, just expecting a user object. So I'll just, we have one already defined here, seems to be. So then is this one. That's better. Perfect. So that sounds good to me. So we have interfaces. We can define the shape of the type, and we can kind of annotate that type here as well. I think we really don't need to annotate this one. Let me check. Yeah, it's just do the inference. But I think it would be still good to have this one tagged here, because in case someone come and change here, remove property or something. So now if you remove property, it complains. So that looks great. Yeah, and we get the function printer as well. Yeah, let's go back to the documentation. So looks like what they're trying to explain here is about the pretty much step by step, starting from the object itself here. Probably they're trying to show us the type inference, and then deriving a type out of it as a user interface, using the interface here, and then tagging the type or annotating the type here, and in a case of where it's going to be useful, like if we define something not available in that type, start to complain, so we can go and fix it. That's good. And then what they're showing here, right, so they have given now two type definitions. One is user, which is an interface, and there's a class as well here defined. So we'll try this example. Right. Okay, so looks like they are trying to show us. So we have the user interface, and we can assign an instance of user account to the user interface. I think it's down to the duck typing. Yeah, structural typing. Just check for the structure itself. So let's try to break this one. I would say let's add something here. Take here the property age. Age. Let's assign the value. Yep, that's what I was expecting. So it's missing the age, right? So it's matching with the properties we have here. So if we add age here, I think it should fix it. Oh, it's not. Why is saying? Let me go and check. Oh, it's missing the parameter passing. So we need to pass a parameter age. Awesome. That's great. Nice piece of documentation, easy to follow. Yeah, I'm happy with that.